Graves County. Hey guys, what's going on? Ben Poly97 here, back with another little video review, this time of the Jurassic World figures. So let's get into it. Unfortunately, these are not going to get out of the box. So here's the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Epic. His mouth can move, so he's like ding but they done. So he's like ding but they done, would you nippa baba baba da, would you nippa baba baba da. Sorry, I greatly apologize for that. So, T-Rex, looking boss, Jurassic World logo, chomping attack, Tyrannosaurus Rex, 4+, Jurassic World logo, Tyrannosaurus Rex, same side, Jurassic World, Tyrannosaurus Rex, chomping jaws, Tyrannosaurus Rex, a ferocious fight for survival. So, here's a Stegoceratops, I guess. Bashing attack. Stegoceratops, Tyrannosaurus, Jurassic World logo. Stegoceratops, 4+. Jurassic World logo. Again, bashing head, a ferocious fight for survival. Is that all these things say? Wow. Ankylosaurus. So Jurassic World and T-Rex. Jurassic World logo, Ankylosaurus. A ferocious fight for survival. Overall, guys, I think these figures are pretty cool. You should go check them out. Catch you guys later. Peace, love, and Zordon. It's morphin' time. I'll catch you guys later.